Okay, I'll just show you how to play music through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2019 VW Amarok. So from any screen, we go to music here. Let's see, what do we want? We'll have Days Like This. So I'm going to click play on there. Days Like This, that's playing. I'm going to turn it down. But the important thing is at the bottom here, where the speaker is at the bottom, if you click on that, that shows you your choices for here to play that music is either through your iPhone speaker or the VW system. The tick is next to the VW system. That means any music, any audio that plays on your phone, if you have this set up right, it will come through this system. So what we do, we go over to media like so, and that's already on Bluetooth audio. So I'll just turn that up. There you go. However, there is a possibility it could have been set to something else. It could have been on auxiliary, CD or whatever. So you're looking for source. From here, if you're just looking at it, I'll just show you that again, you can't see anything. However, once you put your hand up to the screen, you'll then see source in the corner. You click source, and then you can change it to say auxiliary. It could easily come on auxiliary. So you're playing your music, nothing's coming through here. You've gone to media, so hand up, source, BT audio, turn up. That's it. That's how you stream audio.